hand is caviar that costs $150. Now in my hand are two of the best known nuggets that money can buy. But then I also got a Chipotle bowl. Why I got all this stuff and what they got to do with each other, you might ask. The answer to that is that I saw this video.
I thought this was some bullshit. Am I about to steal my kids' nugget?
Little nugget, little caviar.
I hate when I like my kids' food because they
Sets it off.
Which made me want to try it on both of these nuggets to see which one is better. And I got a Chipotle bowl to see if that worked. I got it, let's try it, and rate it 1 through 10. I spent around $165. I've had caviar before, but this is my first time trying to buy it. Why y'all ain't tell me it was this hard to get caviar? I tried to go to 3 different stores. They ain't have it. But crazy enough, I went to a restaurant called Drake's last night that had caviar on their menu. So I called them and asked them if I could just buy the jar. This is an ounce of platinum osteria. Please forgive me if I said that wrong. I know I did. So first up, I'm gonna try it on a classic McNugget from McDonald's. I don't know how much I should do, but I think she did about that much. That looked like a lot. That's exactly how she had it. Let's see. Why that work? Can't believe I'm saying this, but in my opinion, that go together perfectly. It's salty, it's fatty, it's a little oily, it's a little nutty. Hey, that's gas. If a McNugget by itself is an 8 out of 10, I think that bumped it all the way up to a 9 out of 10 if you ask me. I guess I'm gonna move on to the Chick-fil-A nuggets. Next, we're gonna try it with the Chick-fil-A nugget. I personally like the Chick-fil-A nugget better, so let's see what that do. This might be a long shot, but maybe because the Chick-fil-A nugget is like actual chicken, I don't think it works as well as the McNugget. But in my opinion, the flavors does balance a lot better on a McNugget than they do the Chick-fil-A. With that being said, to me, it's still pretty good. And the Chick-fil-A nugget, in my opinion, is like an 8.5 out of 10. And with the caviar, it's still like 8.5 out of 10. Would I still eat that? Absolutely. But again, I just eat the Chick-fil-A nuggets by themselves, I ain't gonna lie. Last but not least, we got a taco for Chipotle. Now, I know she can't do this, but they was right next to each other. And I said, why not? So I got a taco with chicken, brown rice, corn, sour cream, and I just covered it in the rest of the caviar that I got left. It looked crazy, but it do look good. This is the vinaigrette. I don't eat Chipotle without eating the vinaigrette. I ain't gonna lie. Again, I've only had caviar like 3 or 4 times. I might start eating caviar. No, I'm not. It's $150 an ounce. But I might start thinking about eating caviar. Because this is gas. Why does this work? It's the same thing with the nugget. It adds a layer of fattiness, a little bit of saltiness. It just adds like a depth of flavor that